Energy efficient Ethernet, or EEE, is a mechanism to save energy when an Ethernet link is not fully utilized. For years and years and years, and not just in networking development, but in computer development, that the design model was design the fastest thing that you could and then figure out a way to cool it. And you got a really high performance device, whether it was a computer or a piece of network equipment, and it was also a very high power consuming device. When it becomes a problem, that's when you have to start looking for a solution. The key thing about Ethernet is that it's the traffic on a typical link, it's not fully utilized as one might expect. There are times when the link is idle, and that's where the opportunity exists to save energy. Typically, you are running full speed all the time prior to energy efficient Ethernet, burning 100% of the energy required to operate the interface, although you may not have data to send. So the Ethernet Alliance has had a key role to play in the development of energy efficient Ethernets, where we've got a place outside standards development where people can have their conversations and build consensus around the various proposals that got us to where we are. Energy efficiency is going to be required in future generations of network equipment that goes into data centers. Data centers are still power and cooling constrained, and data center managers are going to need a set of tools that enable them to be able to maximize the use of the facility. And I think that's one case where energy efficient Ethernet will be able to fit in well and enable them to save some energy. The benefits of energy efficient Ethernet are twofold, in that you do have the benefit of doing something good for the planet. However, that in itself, as good as it may be, is not necessarily the driver. When, at least in a business setting, people want to save the planet, but they want to save money. And energy efficient Ethernet enables you to reduce your operating expenses, and I think that's probably going to be the key driver behind using energy efficient Ethernet, is that people want to save money, and they'll be able to do that in many cases using energy efficient Ethernet.